Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple fried rice. First, ensure you have day-old, cold rice. This is crucial for the best texture. Gather all your ingredients, like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, before you start cooking. This preparation makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add your aromatics, such as minced garlic and ginger, and stir-fry them until they become wonderfully fragrant, usually for about 30 seconds. Then, introduce your protein, like 4 ounces of diced chicken, cooking it completely. Now it's time to add the star, your cold, day-old rice. Break up any clumps with your spatula as you stir-fry, ensuring it separates nicely. Incorporate your pre-cooked vegetables, perhaps 1/2 cup of peas and corn, mixing everything well. Ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the pan for consistent flavor. Finally, pour in your seasonings, like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil, stirring constantly. Continue to stir-fry for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring everything is heated through. Garnish with fresh green onions and serve your delicious, simple fried rice immediately. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.